To fix your Amazon locked account, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix your Amazon locked account. Now before that, you just need to understand why your account is locked. Amazon may lock your account for reasons like suspicious activity or security concerns. But there may be also reasons like multiple failed login attempts, payment issues, or violations of Amazon policies. So the first thing which you need to do is that you just need to open Amazon from your website, or you may also simply open the Amazon app which you have already installed on your device, and from there you just need to click on the option of sign in securely, or by clicking on the option of sign in you just need to enter the mobile number or email. And if you click on the option of continue, then you should see the option of locked account message. So if you see the option of locked account message, you just need to open the mail on a device, and after opening the mail, Amazon usually sends an email explaining why your account is locked, and also they will send you a link for the instruction to unlock your account. So simply look for the link while inside your email, and from there you just need to verify your identity. So Amazon may ask for OTP that is sent to your email or mobile, scanned ID like passport, driving license, or national ID, and also various other security questions. And after that you just need to reset your password, and you just need to enter your email, phone, and you just need to choose a strong password. And after doing all of it, if it still shows that your account is locked, then you just need to go to customer service of Amazon, and you just need to scroll down and click on the option of need more help, and click on the option of contact us. So by clicking on the option of contact us, you'll see the option of chat or call. So simply tap on it, and from there you'll be able to talk with the customer service team, and they will help you to solve the problem of Amazon locked account. So that's it. That's how you can fix the issue of Amazon locked account. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.